Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's talk, which will be on goal setting. On the agenda today, we will be discussing what SMART goals are, how to set goals using this criteria, and how to create an action plan to help you achieve your goals. The first step in setting a goal is to ask yourself what you would like to achieve. While there may be many things you would like to work on, it is easiest to select one goal to work on at a time. Once you have made your goal, you will want to determine how important it is to you. On a scale of 0 to 10, the importance of your goal should be a 7 or greater. If your rating is less than 7, research indicates that it is best to reconsider the goal you have set. You will also want to determine how confident you are that you will achieve this goal. Using the same scale, your confidence of achieving this goal should be a 7 or greater. If your rating is less than 7, research indicates that it is best to consider setting a more achievable goal. Next, we will go over what the SMART goal acronym is and look at an example of how to make our goal SMART. A SMART goal is a goal that is specific. When setting a goal, you will need to be specific about what you would like to accomplish. You can do this by using an action plan to determine the details of your goal. A SMART goal is also measurable. It is important to have a way to track your progress and to determine if you have reached your goal. Ask yourself, how will I know when I have reached my goal? A SMART goal is a goal that is achievable. This means asking yourself if the goal that you have set is reasonable and realistic for you to achieve. So ask yourself, am I able to safely achieve this goal? Your SMART goal will also need to be relevant. This step is about ensuring that the goal is relevant to the heart-healthy vision that you have for your life. And lastly, your goal has to be timed. What is the time frame for reaching your goal? Without a time frame, you may not be as motivated to complete your goal in a timely manner. Ask yourself, do you have enough time to complete this goal, or maybe you've given yourself too much time? Now we will go over how to make a SMART goal using this criteria. For example, if your goal is to be able to comfortably walk around the block without feeling short of breath, to make this goal specific, you may want to choose to walk around the block 4 days this week, taking one rest day if needed. To track your progress for this goal, you may choose to use your exercise diary or the app to track the number of days and the distance that you walk. If you are able to safely and realistically achieve this goal, then you will proceed to the last two components in the SMART goal criteria. If not, it is best to reconsider your goal. This goal may be relevant as you may want to play with your grandkids or engage in your hobbies without feeling tired. This goal's time frame will be 2 weeks. Now we will go over how to develop an action plan. An action plan acts as a framework for achieving your goals. When creating an action plan, consider the following questions. What can I do this week? When am I going to do it? Where am I going to do it? How much and how often am I going to do it? And then consider what obstacles you might encounter and how you will overcome them. Some examples of obstacles may be time, weather, energy levels, work, or lack of equipment. To help you stay on track, you should write down your goals, placing it in places that you frequent, whether that's on your fridge, on your mirror, or even making a reminder in your phone. Telling others about the goal that you have set or including them in the process can also help keep you accountable. Scheduling regular check-ins to review your progress. If your week did not go as planned, ask yourself what went well and what went wrong. Planning your activities during times when you have more energy and celebrating your accomplishments. It is important to recognize that setbacks are normal. Reflecting on these factors that led to the setbacks, asking yourself what happened, how it happened, when it happened, and where it happened. Thinking about what you can do to get back on track as soon as possible. And maybe consider setting shorter-term goals. Remember to be patient with yourself when you are dealing with setbacks and trying to get back on track. And always remember to celebrate your success along the way. In the program, we have a couple of ways to help you record your goals. The first is on your exercise diary. The back of your exercise diary has prompts to help you set a health vision and goes through the steps of making a SMART goal. The second option is recording your goals on our program app, which you can do so by clicking on the targets icon. Remember to inform your exercise therapist once you have completed your goal so we can help you in achieving your goal. Now we will go into our test your knowledge question. What does the M stand for in the acronym SMART goal? Is it A, measurable, B, meaningful, C, manageable, or D, mindful? If you've chosen A, then you are correct. The M in the acronym SMART goal stands for measurable. I hope that throughout this talk, you were able to get an idea of how to make a SMART goal and how to create an action plan. If you do have a goal, reflecting on how it went this week, what went well, and what can you do differently if it did not go the way as planned, and how can we as your exercise therapist help support you in your goals. For more information, you can speak with your exercise therapist, you can visit our website at gethearthealthy.ca, or you can view our calendar of live events.